Welcome back and thank you all for watching. My name is Nigel Schroeter, aka the Credit Sensei, aka the King of Navy Fed. And today we are here with another Navy Federal video, and we're going to be teaching you all how you can change your financial life, change your financial future, change your credit future with just one credit card, which is the Navy Federal nRewards secured card. All right, so going way back, about a year and a half ago, around the time where I began this channel, I actually started off my Navy Federal journey, and I started it off initially, of course, with my savings account. Then I opened a checking account. Then I moved over my direct deposit, and then I was introduced into this beauty, the Navy Federal nRewards secured card. Okay, and this particular card is a card that you can get by putting down a $200 security deposit. Your deposit will actually be given back to you after either you close your card or your card does what they call graduates, and it becomes an unsecured card like this one. So basically, what I did was I opened up this card. I actually learned a little trick that I could do with the secured loan. So you guys can go check out that video, the Navy Federal secured loan hack, where you can pay about $2 to have a positive reporting trade line on your credit report every single month. So I took advantage of that, and I took advantage of this, where I put this as a revolving trade line, and I put that as an installment trade line on my report. And once I got a few months in, at that time they didn't have the Navy Federal pre-qualification, but what they did have, which still holds, is a 91.3 rule. So after I reached the 91.3 rule, I went ahead and I applied for my next card. The next card that I applied for was actually this card, which is the Navy Federal More Rewards card. So, this is the Navy Federal American Express card. I applied for this card, and I was able to get a $10,000 limit instantly. It was crazy, a completely different feeling inside. And then just a couple months later, my nRewards card actually ended up turning into this next card, which is the cash rewards card. So once I was able to get the cash rewards card, that was a much different feel, as that card gives you 1.5% interest rather than 1% interest. It allows you immediately to be able to cash out your cash back once your transactions are processed. It allows you the option to choose whether you want a Visa or a MasterCard, just as well as it unsecured my $200 card to a $2,000 card. So once it did that, I actually applied for an increase the same day, and they gave me an increase on this card to $2,500. So a $500 increase the same day that the card unsecured was great. When it unsecured, they immediately gave me an increase of $1,800. So that was amazing as well. So imagine going from having a $250 secured loan, a $200 secured credit card, and I'm able to turn around and boom, apply for another account, and they give me 10 grand on this account, and then they take my $200 account and they turn it into a $2,500 account, all within a few weeks of each other. So at that point, I was like, wow, this is crazy. I have to test this and share this with others. So I took this same method. I applied it to my mother's credit report, to my father's, my sisters, and just a bunch of close friends and family members. and open them up to, hey, you guys can join Navy Federal. You can start with bad credit. You can start in the 400s and the 500s with collections, with all these different things. And while you're fixing your credit, use that secured loan hack. Put those positive installment payments on there. Then make sure that you also put those positive revolving payments on there when you go and you add this reward secured card. You're going to actually build rewards up while you're actually building up your report, which most secured cards are not allowing as well. You're only going to get an inquiry on TransUnion, whereas some secured cards are pulling inquiries um from multiple places. This particular card only pulls from TransUnion. Just as well as there's a very, very, very low percentage of people who are denied for this card. And that's what makes this such a great card to start with. Because in order to be denied for this card, in most cases, you have to owe Navy Federal money, which I've heard people who have applied for this card, who've gotten it, who did actually still owe money to the bank. Or you have to be extremely, extremely delinquent. And I tell everyone, if you're extremely delinquent, what does it hurt to take the gamble and try? Whereas I'm telling you, there's people in the fours and the fives who've gotten approved for this card. Why would you not go ahead and take that gamble? You know, because you're able to take this gamble to build up a relationship. And once you build this relationship can segue you right into having, $14,000 within 6 months in available credit, going from a 550 credit score, a mid 500 score, coming back all the way up into the 700s, and creating a lot of a change in your actual credit profile, and allowing you to increase your odds of getting approved with other banks. So please check these methods out. Please look into it. And remember that this particular card right here, as well as that secured loan hack, can change your life. They can completely turn around your finances, completely turn around your actual credit report, and allow you to make those moves that you did not have the opportunity to before, and change the credit scope of your family generationally. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Please make sure that you guys like, comment, and share these videos out to others so that they are able to get the same priceless information. As always, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.